Alrighty, dudes and dudettes, welcome back to Custom Black Motorsports, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, I got a little sneak peek video for the guys that been following along, all right, since 2015, late 2015, on my Ram 1500 Hemi, all right, build. It's a 2015 Ram 1500 Hemi, if you didn't guess. Okay, man, it's like, you guys been following along for a long time, and I kind of moved a little bit of the build content to another channel. If you want to go down to the link in the description, all right, and click on that and subscribe to that channel, that would be awesome. A lot of the build content's going to be on there on the truck, but you guys seen it. It's come a long way, all right. It went from people said, you know, that big lifted crew cab 4x4 with a 65 RFE is only going to run a 17-second quarter mile. All right, we got it down to the 12s, all right, pretty easily without a fuel system, you know, and some proper dyno tuning, which is pretty cool. All right, we're going to try to bring it lower than that, all right, with the next build. And that's what we're here to do. Is we're here to have you guys check that out and tell me what you think so far. And what I really want you to do is go down to the link in that description, the link in the description, okay, and subscribe to my alternate YouTube channel. That would be super cool, man, all right? Came a long way, all right? The truck came a long way. It's a legend within itself. We want to see the truck. Here it is. There's a truck update. There it is right there. We lowered it 9.5 inches. Okay, just to install the engine. Yeah, pretty cool. These guys right here, they make the magic. They make the magic. Super cool. Look at that. They told me they got a lot going on here. I forgot everything they said. Oh yeah, that's cool. Look at that. Yeah. There it is. Still gotta do some cosmetic work. It's all good. They got under here. Oh man, they're on. We got headers. Oh yeah. That's great. Yeah. Sticking out, getting ready to go right there. Oh, this is great. All right. Oh, the intercooler piping is out, and they told me they're redoing it all. It's gonna look awesome. Get powder coated black. That's what they told me. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Look at that. That's good. Dig it. Dirty bird, but she's coming back. Coming back. We get her cleaned up. Oh man. This is great. A little dirty. It's getting there though. It's a lot better than it was a month ago. I'll tell you that. Yeah. That's great. I like doing this right here. Ready? Surprise. That's awesome. Yeah. Really cool. Got a lot of work to do.